$99 because it's on sale. Because before it's like 100 something. Need to put the letter A.
That's A.
So how we put it?
I don't know. Look at the instructions. No, that's J. You got J in your hand.
You said A.
You don't know your alphabet?
I said A, but you know it's all like this.
Yeah. No screw holes.
Yeah.
Oh, they have? There's none here that I feel.
Maybe you need to put hold it. You need to put something.
Oh, yeah, there's some screw holes here.
Oh, maybe we screw.
Big.
Oh, that one. You
Oh,
know?
the cam?
Yeah. The can. Oh, that's what you're saying.
Where they go? All four
Yeah,
holes?
A. Yeah, A. Oh, yeah, 4. I think 5.
Damn it, where'd it go? Where's that other screwdriver? You have it.
Oh, here. I think they need to put the belt too to secure to the wall.
Oh, the hinges.
So do we need to put it? No?
I don't know.
Don't
Wait
need.
a minute.
Excuse me. Wow, I like this. So you can put your medicine here.
Yeah. They go on the ends, right?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Yeah, it's on same both sides.
That's my phone.
Push that.
It's over there.
Dr. Simpson.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Hurry. I like building projects.
Don't get it.
Damn son of a bitch, where'd it go?
Under this guy.
Okay, I got this. You ready for it?
Oh. Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me, I put already, then you get a pen. Yeah.
You need screwdriver?
Well, not like this.
I'll make you extra hole here.
Hey. No, it's not. No. It's not aligned. I think there's still some liquid. Here, please.
Good girl. You let with you. You whipped it.
So where's the one that we put earlier? No, I mean the first one that we put.
I don't know.
Oh, it's here.
I gotta go pee.
Okay.
The knees are still there.
doors.
Huh?
We need to do the doors.
Okay.
We need to go backward. Maybe we need to put. Let's take out the foam. Take out the foam. Because we put already the. Okay, this one the floor. We put already the.
Move that one big pump.
Okay. Is it rolling?
A little bit. Maybe once we get the rest of it together, it'll be all right.
Now we put the. We need to do this.
All right.
You see? This is the door.
Screw it. All right, give me a hinge.
You know how to put.
It goes like this, right? Here, I'll line it up. You stick the screws in. Goes like that, right?
This one.
Yeah. This part, the hinge part, this part here, goes up, right? And it goes like this, right?
Wait, you ask me, I'm like,
Because this part don't move. See, this part moves.
oh, so like this.
Yeah. All right, I'll line it up. You put screws in tight.
Not like that.
No, this goes on the other. This goes on the cabinet somewhere.
Here.
Probably. Maybe you want to screw it to this first. Yeah, I mean, yeah, look, see, look.
We need to screw first and then screw here later on. We need to screw on that. So you mean like this? So it won't open?
That's what I'm thinking.
It will open?
Yeah. See, but, see,
No.
this fits in here like that, I would think. What's the instruction show?
It's hard to.
Here, let me look at it.
This one. On the side, both sides.
Yeah, this goes on the cabinet, like this.
This one.
And this goes, wait. And this goes here. Yeah, it goes just like this. It goes just like that, and you screw it to the cabinet. It would be easier to screw this to the cabinet and then do this. I think.
No, they said screw here first, so you later on you just like screw
Yeah,
here.
okay. So it goes like
So it's like this, what you're saying? Is it like that?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Wait,
Am I wrong?
that's what you were trying to figure out.
It goes like this on this one.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
See, right? It goes like this.
Yeah, you're right. See?
Wait, I think that one goes over here. There's a left and a right. Let me see.
It's all the same. It's just the way you put it. Okay, it's just the way you put on that.
Yeah, but the hole in that line up.
Me too. It's hard.
What?
So which way? Which one?
Like this. Yeah, okay, that's lining up. I just need some screws.
So how are you gonna? If we put here first, how are you gonna put here later on? Ah, like this.
Yeah, see? The way I got it. See there?
Oh, like that. Okay, so it's
I need
correct.
some screws.
Because you asked me, I'm like, it's too small.
Wait, I got a smaller screwdriver. I don't need it two right now. I got one. Hang on.
So how again? Like this?
Yeah, like that.
So where's the screwdriver?
It's too small. I need.
Where's the other one?
I don't know what you do with it.
Oh, is it on top?
No, I don't know what you do with it, but I need it.
Oh, you did go early.
I need that one.
Okay, you put that. Put this. What time is it?
I don't know. Look at the clock. It's right behind me.
Whoa,
What time?
10 past 10.
All right, give me another screw.
So what time did we start? Like,
About 9 o'clock, I
Nine.
think.
yeah, 9 o'clock.
Okay, I need another hinge.
So what's this for?
Hmm?
Or maybe later on. Then.
Okay, it's tight.
Mm.
Okay, I need screws. Thank you. Make these damn screws too small.
I think it's not straight. Not sure. It's so exhausting.
Well. Okay, done. Yeah. I got some door handles somewhere.
This one later. I don't know. They said you put now. Where's the paper? You put this.
Yeah.
Give me that. You put.
You got screws?
You poke me.
I'll poke you all right.
Number 9. I think this one. Wow. I can, almost, you can see the hole. Here, you see? Can you see the hole?
Yeah, I can see the hole.
It's so tiny.
I know. Okay, this one's done.
Put it in the. Outside. It's outside. Yeah. No. It's just like this. You put under.
Oh, you put this under here?
Yeah.
Got it.
But you need to align first. Done. Yay!
How the hell you
Give me. Give me. Yeah, you like that. Yeah, you check it good or what? I think. Then we're gonna put. It's too small.
Yeah, it's tight. Okay, got that done.
Okay, and then we need to put.
It's gonna take both of us to hang. Is that the next step, hanging the doors?
Yeah.
Where those other pieces go?
Here, there's a drawer.
Oh,
Two drawer, and then you can put here too if you want. Okay.
that's cheap for a door handle.
Hey. Did we do it right?
We're fixing to find out.
So we do like this,
Yeah, just like that.
so it will open or what?
Yes. But it's gotta match
Yeah,
up.
we should make, because this one is like, it's the same shape of here, right?
Right.
No, maybe just a little, like, push a little bit so that this like. Right. Oh yeah, it's better, I can see now.
Yeah. I get the top and start.
Oh, no. It's like, oh, maybe I put the bottom first.
I'll jump easy first. There you go. Now you can unite it.
Yeah, but here too. But why they have a space here?
Little space.
Just have straight.
There you go. Now you think.
On the bottom. I will not tighten it yet.
Okay, let's screws.
Okay.
Okay. All right, here's two.
Give me one first.
Both of them. Yeah.
You hold it, you hold it.
Huh?
You hold it.
I got it. Hang on.
So what's this for?
That's no tip, that's for sure.
Maybe something again. Oh, maybe there's like a.
Yeah, the shelf goes down there.
I don't know if it's tight. Can you help me?
Now,
Tighten it up. You can let me know so you can see it.
see,
To carry.
that's tight a bit. feels good.
But still, yeah, but still a bit. See, a little.
Oh shit, you know what? We got this turned wrong.
Why?
Because the main point of this here.
You? But you can still like.
Yeah, you can switch that. That's easy.
Oh, you just
You see
like.
what I'm saying?
I don't know. I don't know which one face. But it's easy. But it's hard to see.
Take that.
Yeah. It's because it's moving. That's it.
Yeah. That's how you ain't going to that.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Swap it right now before we put it on.
You miss out.
You told me to do it that way.
No, I mean this on this side, but I didn't know which one facing.
Just loosen one side, loosen them up, and take them all the way out, and you spin.
I'm gonna spin it. You can spin it. Oh, it's not this good. I'm turning back. It's not this good. Oh, like that.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. And there got to be a magnet somewhere that goes on that board.
Wait.
I don't know. Go in. It's right.
Oh, see here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hard to see the hole. See, we didn't realize. No wonder when you're putting the screws, the magnet is here. Okay, on this side, right? Didn't think about that. Push the hole.
Got one for each door.
There's the whole thing. All open. Is that a magnet?
This is metal. The magnet needs metal.
I think that's it. This one?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put here? No.
Yep. Where it says go. Look. See it?
Ah. So you put the magnet here?
Yeah. You see the big hole goes in?
So is it this one or this one side?
Wait, that's what I'm trying to figure out. See, look. Oh. You see these little tips? It goes like this.
This one?
Yeah, see?
So because you see have something
Right.
here.
That goes on the inside, yeah.
Which is this small?
Yeah.
Same?
You got 8.
You need to put one now on the other one.
Yeah, that's what I do.
It's hard if it's like this. That's why they give you this.
What's that for?
Yeah, here to tie on the wall.
Oh, yeah.
But maybe no.
No, we don't need to do that.
There's no kids that like that.
No, we don't need to. It's just fun.
Ah.
Makes a difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's just like that. There's a little space, right?
Okay, here's your screws for your hinges up here. Here's your screw for your magnet. I got you fixed up.
You need to put the magnet first. So I don't.
Okay, where's it go?
Inside. Here. Here.
Yeah.
Almost done. Oh my god. I think it's not gonna rain.
I gotta let the grass dry out. That ground's wet.
No, you can have that first today. Is it gold or not?
You want me to do it?
Okay, then.
Gotta touch the door.
No, like this. Underneath.
You got a magnet at the bottom. Look.
Hey,
You got the door turned on.
shit.
No, you're right. No, where's the
Yeah.
hole is there.
I don't know why there's also a hole. Shh.
If I don't watch you,
Wrong side. Oh, what do I have both? Oh, just in case you put this there. Yeah. That's not good.
screw's not turning as tight.
Yeah, you see?
Maybe this minute.
No, this one is not really.
I got wood on the screws.
Maybe.
That'd be my foot.
You could put the
What are you doing?
No, I didn't know there's a hand. Maybe it should be this one. But both have holes. Can you hold it?
Yeah, we got it.
Maybe it's not. Ow! My, that one, I think it's losing it. It's not straight.
I know it's not straight.
So what's this for?
Look at the instructions on doing this.
430. Oh, it's for the back. Okay, it's not going anymore.
Yeah, it is going in.
The hole is not really drilled right all the way.
Right, it's on there. Stack. Okay, hang the door now.
hold the door. Just hold it.
There's a screwdriver. It's a cylinder here, about a foot.
I know, but don't.
You might have to sort of screw by hand if you can.
I know, but help me hold it. But just hold. Don't.
I got it.
Hold. Because if you hold it, it's mark.
My screwdriver's like that. So you get it in the hole.
I know.
I don't have a problem getting it in the hole like that.
Because you see what you're doing. It's like that. And it's just hard to see. Too small.
No.
See, when I put it, it's when I put that, it's on the side. Okay.
There you go. I'm using mine.
I'm using my coconut. Maybe I need to see what's next with the drawers.
Oh, wait, not more, go.
Yeah. More here.
Ah. Well, we got to do 8 next because we just finished 7. Who's that? Who's Lima?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Who's calling?
What's number 8? I think there, you put some wires, something,
Please go. Hey, this next step.
at the back. But we're not going to use the charger when we don't have enough outlet to shoot the network.
I got the power strip in the office.
Then we can plug it in. Try. Yay!
It's cute.
Looks good, Is it bad enough?
Our storage
2.5
cabinet
hours, that ain't bad.
assembled for how long did we assemble it? 1.5 hour?
No, it's 2.5.
2 hours? 2.5? Wow. It's a bit long to fix. Yay, our storage cabinet.